Are you feeling a bit down or anxious but don't know how to lift your mood? It turns out the answer might be hiding in your kitchen. Mental health is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being, and what we eat plays a significant role in how we feel. A healthy diet can boost our mood, energy levels, and even help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. In this video, we will be exploring 5 surprising foods that can have a positive impact on our mental health. These foods are fermented foods, dark chocolate, turmeric, omega-3 rich foods, and green tea. Each of these foods has unique properties that can help improve our mental well-being. Fermented foods, for example, are rich in probiotics which can support gut health and even produce neurotransmitters that regulate our mood. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, contains flavonoids that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce symptoms of depression. Omega-3 rich foods such as salmon can support brain health and reduce inflammation. Lastly, green tea has been shown to have a calming effect on the mind and the body. These foods are not only beneficial for our mental health, but they're also relatively easy to incorporate into our daily diet. We can add fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut to our meals, enjoy a piece of dark chocolate as a sweet treat, or drink a cup of green tea to unwind. The key is to find ways to make these foods a part of our daily routine so we can experience their benefits firsthand. By making a few simple changes to our diet, we can take the first step towards improving our mental health and overall well-being. Incorporating these foods into our diet can have a significant impact on our mental health, and it's essential to understand how they work and how we can make the most of their benefits. By exploring the unique properties of each food and learning how to incorporate them into our daily meals, we can take control of our mental health and start feeling better sooner. The first surprising food on our list is fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which can support gut health and even produce neurotransmitters that regulate our mood. They're also relatively easy to incorporate into our daily diet. We can add kimchi or sauerkraut to our meals, or drink a glass of kombucha to get our daily dose of probiotics. Fermented foods have been shown to have a positive impact on mental health, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating fermented foods into our meals, we can support our gut health and improve our mental well-being. Fermented foods are also versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. We can add them to salads, use them as a topping for soups, or even blend them into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are undeniable. By making fermented foods a part of our daily diet, we can take the first step towards improving our mental health. Dark chocolate, with its rich, velvety texture and deep flavor, is another surprising food that can have a positive impact on our mental health. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Dark chocolate is also a great mood booster, releasing endorphins that can help us feel more relaxed and at ease. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. By indulging in a piece of dark chocolate, we can take a moment to unwind and pamper ourselves. Turmeric is another surprising food that can have a positive impact on our mental health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that can help reduce symptoms of depression. It's also a great addition to a variety of dishes, from curries to soups. Turmeric has been shown to have a significant impact on our mental health, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's also rich in antioxidants, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating turmeric into our meals, we can support our mental health and overall well-being. Omega-3 rich foods such as salmon are also essential for brain health. They support the production of neurotransmitters, which can help regulate our mood and reduce symptoms of depression. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into our diet, we can take the first step towards improving our mental health. Green tea is another surprising food that can have a positive impact on our mental health. Green tea contains antioxidants and amino acids that can help reduce stress and anxiety. It's also a great way to unwind and relax, perfect for a calming evening ritual. However, some people may face challenges when trying to incorporate these foods into their diet. They may not like the taste of fermented foods or find it difficult to access omega-3 rich foods. Despite these challenges, the benefits of these foods are undeniable. By finding ways to incorporate them into our daily meals, we can take control of our mental health and start feeling better. One of the most surprising foods on our list is turmeric. Turmeric has been shown to have a significant impact on our mental health, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. It's also rich in antioxidants, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. We can add it to soups, curries, or even blend it into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. By making turmeric a part of our daily routine, we can take the first step towards improving our mental health. It's a simple yet effective way to support our mental well-being and overall health. In conclusion, the 5 surprising foods we've discussed can have a significant impact on our mental health. Fermented foods, dark chocolate, turmeric, omega-3 rich foods, and green tea all have unique properties that can help improve our mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and support our overall well-being. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding medical conditions. Individual results may vary and the effectiveness of health benefits differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you've tried any of these foods or have a favorite way of incorporating them into your diet, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and videos on mental health and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.